If the score of 3 students in the test are 5, 6, and 7, find the standard deviation of the scores. Now we're going to look for the standard deviation. First of all, we need to put the formula for standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to root, we have your sigma, or you call it sum of, open a bracket, you put your number given minus your mean, close the bracket, square over total number. So this is your sigma, you call it sigma, or sum of numbers. Then this your x is a list of numbers given. Your m means the mean of numbers. Then the n there is total number. The total number. Now this your m, it can be written as by x. It can be written as by x. Some questions comes in by x formula, but if you write by x or m, both stands for mean. Now this is the formula for standard deviation. Now in order to get the standard deviation first, we need to look for the mean of the numbers. The mean of the numbers will give us the full right to assess the standard deviation. Now let's search for the mean. So it will mean is equal to sum of number over total number. Now what are the sum of numbers there? We have your 5 plus 6 plus 7 over what is the total number? The total number is 3 because there are 3. 1, 2, 3. So we add together. When you add together, it will give us 18 divided by 3, which is 3 here is 1, 3 here is 6. So our mean is 6. So having gotten the mean as 6, now we're going to solve for this. Now let's solve for it inside. Then later we divide it. We find the root of it. After looking for the mean, we'll divide it. Then later we'll look for the square root of it to get our standard deviation. Now we've gotten the mean. Now let's subtract. Let's use the given numbers here. These given numbers you're having here to subtract the mean. First of all, this x you're seeing, this x now represents this given number here. Why our mean now is what? Is 6. It looks like this. X minus m square. You see it now? So already we've gotten our x. This x means the given number. M here is the mean, which is this 6 we've gotten. So we use all these numbers. One, we take them each to subtract the mean, which is this 6. We square it. Am I communicating? Then after that, we divide it by n to get our answers. So how do we do this now? This is done this way. First of all, we take the first x. What's the first x? The first x is 5. 5 minus, what is the mean? Mean is 6. We'll be in a bracket. You put your square. Plus, what's the second one? 6. Open a bracket. 6 minus, what's the mean? 6 square. Plus, what's the next one? The next number is 7. 7 minus 6 square. All over, how many are they? There are 1, 2, 3. All over 3. Now what will be the next thing? Now what to open the bracket? That's when you open the bracket. We subtract what is in the bracket. We'll bring it out. How? Look at this. 5 minus 6 will give us minus 1 square plus, open the bracket, 6 minus 6 is 0 square plus, open the bracket, 7 minus 6 is 1 square all over 3. Now, having done that, we'll come to this part. Now, we open the bracket. Minus 1 square is what? 1 square means 1 times 1. Minus 1 times minus 1. So, minus cancel out minus. 1 times 1 is 1. You have your 1. Plus 0 square is 0. Plus 1 square is 1. All over the 3. Now you have 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 is our variance in everything here we've gotten. This is variance. 3 over 3 is the variance of everything we've gotten. So it will be standard deviation is equal to root 2 over 3. Let me see it now. Standard deviation is equal to root 2 over 3. And if you watch now, we can't leave it like this. We need to simplify further. If I want to simplify further, we need to share the root into the two parts. How? By doing it like this, root 2 over root 3. We need to simplify further. We can't leave our answers like this. We need to simplify further. Now, how do we simplify further? We simplify further by sharing the roots into the numerator and the denominator. So the numerator now has root, and the denominator now is having a root. Now let's simplify this. We simplify this by using the denominator to multiply both sides. How? This is the denominator, root 3. We say times root 3 over root 3. See now? Now to give us this times this, root 2 times root 3 will give us root 6 over root 3 times root 3 will give us root 9. And the square root of 9 is what? 3. So this is our answer. Thank you.